to another video. Today we have the second sale, the second Black Friday sale. I know we just had a video of another ad that we had from Ace Hardware, but that was like a monthly ad that they had. This is mostly like a Black Friday type of ad, only November 18th through November 30th. So it's like a second sale they're going to have this month. I know every store is dividing their sales, and they're pretty much staying away from that Black Friday name there. But this is pretty much the Black Friday ad, the complete Black Friday ad. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. All right. First of all, we do have those dates. Like I said, November 18th to 30th. We do got a couple grills here. I'm not gonna go over all these. I'm just gonna go over the tools. So just keep that in mind. We are a tool channel, so we're just gonna go ahead and move on to the tools. All right, to start here, we got an Eagle 56 volt power 2-stage snow thrower. So this is the big boy. This is the bigger one. I believe this does come with 2 batteries. Actually, is this? This 24 clean throws, built-in headlights, includes 2 batteries, a charger. It's really hard to read. It's kind of blurry. But yeah, this is the kit, guys. This will include the 2 batteries and a charger. So this is, like I said, this is the big boy here. Definitely check it out if you have a big yard or a big, this is something it'll handle, like the thicker snow, because obviously the one stage it'll handle just one. But yeah, this is heavy duty stuff right there. It's like a gas powered, pretty much. Now this is something that we saw on the first ad. We do have that $139.99 kit with one of these, I believe. So either this one, actually both of these. So it says includes 2 20-volt batteries. What is this? I can't read it. Anyways, it does include a drill and an impact driver. So it includes all this for $139. I mean, it's a good deal for, well, not a good deal, but it's an okay deal for a DIY. However, personally, I would stay away from brush tools. I would move on to something like this. This is a far more greater or better tool, in my point of view. You get a lot more runtime. You get a lot more, power out of the batteries and everything. So, and this is one of the better oscillating tools that they have. So, anyways, any of these for $99.99 each. It seems like this is the kit. So each one of these is a kit, and this is the bare tool only. So I would check out your nearest Ace Hardware. Oh, also, just to let you guys know, I will be coming out with the video, an in-store video shopping at Ace Hardware, just to let you guys know, so you guys stay tuned for that. I will probably release it this weekend, either Friday or Saturday. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyways, so you got choice for $99.99, and then you have another good deal here for like a DIY or for the home user. You got Dewalt and Stanley tools accessories. You got a 16-piece magnetic drive set. I believe it's this one. You got a 5-piece impact driver bit set, which is that one. You got a pry bar, a 25-inch by 1 tape measure, 50 count utility knife blades. So this is a good deal here. And utility knife 2-piece plier set. So any of these are just under $5 each. So definitely worth it. Stock up on those stocking stuffers if you want to give this as a gift, or multiple of these, and just put them together as a big gift there. That's a really nice thing. You got the new Roadie 24 cooler. It says 10 lighter, bigger, and colder Yeti. Let's see, it doesn't have a price. So it says your choice here for under $10. See, this is another great item you guys could get. It seems like you got the Dewalt Earwind, Stanley tools, accessories, framing, circular saw, blade, a 2-pack. So this is the 2-pack you're going to get. which is a great deal because you're getting them for $5. Construction circular saw blade, 34-piece screwdriver and bit sets. It's a nice bit set there. A 10-piece reciprocating saw bit set. This is a great deal, guys, if you're a DIY. 6-inch, what is this, clamp? So it's a 6-inch clamp, heavy duty staple gun. So you got a nice staple gun there, guys. And Ace Hardware is gonna have a big sale here. I don't know if this is gonna be in all the harbor or the Ace Hardwares, but like on my flyer, it didn't have it. But who knows? They might updated this flyer already. So we got Ace coupon 50% off the regular price of any one item, $30 or less. It says Black Friday, November 27th only, guys. So they're gonna have smoking deals on these 50% off. So any item $30 or less, they're gonna have a 50% off. Yeah, really nice, good deal there for getting $15 off of $30. And it says here, Ace coupon 15% off your entire purchase of your regular price merchandise in store and online. 3 days only, November 28th through 30th. So guys, here's another good one here. You're getting 15% off of your entire purchase off of a regular price, obviously, for 3 days only. So definitely check it out. It says November 28th through 30th. Exclusives apply. See Riverside for details. All right. So Ace Rewards member exclusive free $100 Ace gift cards with the purchase of any qualifying large, extra large, big green egg packages 11/27 through 11/30th. So there you go, guys. You guys gotta stock up on those savings. I'm gonna see if I can make this bigger for you guys, so you guys will get that those coupons. All right, here's the next page. We got buy one of these grills and get these 6 free bonus items. So you buy any of these grills here, you get all this free. So hey, that's a good deal. But you know, at least some of these are a little pricey. So if you're into grilling, and if that's your thing, this is, you know, you probably know more than me about this. But me personally, I like to go the cheaper way. My food is just fine. All right, we got the 30-quart propane turkey fryer, $59.99. You can use this for other things. You don't have to just use it for fryer. You can put another type of pot there or something. Culinary brand mix. All right. So buy this, get this free. So you buy this and get that free. So what is this? Blackstone 28 griddle cooking station, $199.99, and you get all this for free. All right, so $299. You got the Stealth MSA 120CB battery powered chainsaw. Wow, they got battery powered chainsaws now on Ace Hardware. So nice. $299.95. I believe it doesn't say if it's tool only or not. See, that's one thing I don't like about Ace Hardware's ads, because they don't tell you if. Anyways, we're gonna move on. So we got the Eagle 56 Empower 530 CFM handheld blower. It says it includes a 2.5 amp hour lithium battery charger. So yeah, $199.90. Yeah, it's a good deal. It's about, I would say, about $50 off. $25, $50 off. Same thing with this one's pretty good deal. Eagle 56 volt power 16-inch chainsaw. It does include a 5 amp hour lithium battery. Guys, these are the coupons here, the backside of those other coupons that we saw earlier on the last page. So we got 15% off your entire purchase of a regular price merchandise in store or online. Offer valid through November 28th through November 30th, 2020 only. All right, the next coupon is 50% off any regular price items under $30 or $15 off any item over $30 in store or online, valid through Friday, November 27th only. So this one's only valid 1 day. This one's valid 3 days. So make sure you guys, you know, save your coupons and what is this? All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, we got Milwaukee. All right, it says your choice, $19.99 each. It says Milwaukee hand tools, 10-piece screwdriver bit set, or no, never mind, 10-piece screwdriver set, which is this. You get a 2-piece curved jaw pliers set. Probably these. It's hard to read. Sorry, I'm taking too long. Straight jaw groove pliers. So those, and we got the 25 feet magnetic tape measure with 2-pack. Okay, so you can choose any of these for under $20. All right, so you got a $149 deal here. You got the red lithium. Guys, these are brush tools. These are not the newest or greatest, the latest and greatest. They will still do a good job. If you're a DIY, if you just want to spend $150, get some decent Milwaukee tools. This will work fine for you. If you're a contractor, I would definitely go brushless. So Milwaukee M18 red lithium compact drill driver impact driver combo. It includes two 18-volt lithium. What is this? Ion batteries. It doesn't say what type of battery, what size. My guess is probably a 2-amp-hour battery. All right, the next part of the ad, we got a Dewalt 51-piece drill drive set with tape measure, $14.99. Looks like a nice kit. Milwaukee pack out impact resistant toolbox combo pack, $199.99. If you guys remember, we did score one of these, not with this box, with the crate. It was with the milk crate. But we did get this one and the milk crate on the top. We did score that for 109. So make sure you guys stay tuned to my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe, because those deals will pop up in the middle of the night, in the middle of the day. Whenever it pops up, I post it. So whoever saw those videos, this pack out for $109, got it. So, and it was just a pretty much that was from another store, but pretty much that's the way it is. If you know, if we post it, you guys go get them, and don't ask any questions. Just go get them, and that's it. You got tool sets, Die Hard jump starter. It says gear wrench. So you can get any of these, I guess, for $50. So you got some ratcheting. Let's see here, gear wrench, 20-piece ratcheting. That's a nice deal here. You got combination wrench set there, Die Hard Lion compact jump starter. So you got a jump starter somewhere. We're out here on the top. You got a jump starter there, and you got a 21-piece socket accessory set. This one here. And then you got a Craftsman 63-piece mechanics tool set. All right, moving down. You got all these are Craftsman, by the way. You got Craftsman 6-gallon Pancake air compressor with VersaStack, or a VersaStack 216-piece mechanics tool set. So either you can choose the compressor or the tool set there. It says your choice for under $10. So this is one of the sections I like to go to. When I go to the store, I usually like to shop around this section. This is a great, you got some great value there here for your money there for $10. You got a 10-piece SAE or metric 3/8 drive socket wrench set, or you got 11-piece. What is this? 11-piece SAE metric 1/4 drive socket wrench set, 7-piece SAE metric combination wrench set. You got a 2-piece 18-inch tool bag set. Is that a 2-piece or 3-piece? Yeah, 2-piece. You got a 5-piece 3/8 socket accessory kit. So 5-piece. Oh, this is it right here. So you got some nice good deals there. And then you got a Craftsman, which is, I think this is a great deal. You got a Craftsman 12-gallon wet and dry vac. This is limit 4 at this price. Hot buy. Yeah, this is a really good buy. A lot of you guys were asking about this on the last one. But yeah, this is a really good one here for 40 bucks. They're shooting this straight at the competitor there. You got Black and Decker power tools, $24.99 each. These are mostly corded tools, except this one. This was a battery operated tool. So if you guys want to look at something like this, feel free to pause the video. I'm not going to go over it because we are a tool channel. I mean, we're just going to go over this maybe. Black & Decker compact cordless hand vac. Like a dustbuster, $19.99. It's a Black & Decker. We got a steel toy chainsaw for $29.99. I wonder if it has a real, it probably has a fake chain in it. You got some lights and sizzles. Weber mini toy grill accessories, $39.99. Alright, we're just gonna skip through this real quick. You guys feel free to pause the video, rewind it, whatever you have to do. Look at it at these prices. Alright. We're gonna go straight for the tools if there's any more. Got some batteries here. Really good deals on these batteries lately. Now with all the toys and all the gifts you're giving out, you know, these batteries come in handy. So $6.99 for that. Alright, we got some smart devices here. It says wireless earbuds, smart Wi-Fi plug, LED work lights, or Wi-Fi light bulb speaker under $10. So these are great deals, guys. You guys can get, you know, little stocking stuffers. You can, you know, for your kids, these headphones or these earbuds and stuff like that. You got $29.99 Monster Light. What is this? Monster Bar Light Kit, or I Live portable Bluetooth tailgate speaker. Nice. And then you got the HZ Connect Smart Video Doorbell, $59.99. Or you get the 23-inch or 23-inch portable tower heater, $59.99, or whatever this is. All right, we got a ladder on sale. We got a Warner 20 feet type 2 fiberglass extension ladder, 225 pound capacity, for $99.99. We do have a Toro Power Clear 721 electric start single stage snow thrower, 112 cc for cycle engine, $439. This is a big snow blowers here. You got the Arians Deluxe electric start self-propelled 2-stage snow thrower, just $1,099.99. So there you go. Let's see here. Yep, that's it, guys. Just a short video. Well, not so short, but you know, just that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And remember, we're gonna have that in-store shopping at Ace Hardware, so be sure to check that out this weekend. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.